You know, I've never made a video on adversity before, or at least what artists like us face. You know, there's so many things. You can't do that. You shouldn't do that. What are you thinking? You're clearly not thinking. Why don't you get a real job? Oh, you're an artist. Like, have you ever thought about how you're gonna make money? Or my personal favorite, artists are only famous when they die. Come on now. It's kind of messed up. Not gonna lie. But after hearing all of this, I threw my hands up and I was like, you know what? Watch me. When I think about drawing, I think about nothing. There are no definitions, no preconceived notions, nor is there anyone telling you that you are wrong. There is only a feeling, you breathing, and loving what it is that you are creating. From its foundation through to its completion, all there seems to be is this sense of affirmation. It's easy to talk yourself out of what makes you happy. It's even easier to put the art away and let yourself forget who you really are. What is hard is to dare to draw the dream of what it looks like to be that successful artist. What's even harder is deflecting everything that tells you that it's not possible. You can be that successful artist. The only thing that separates the successful from the not successful are that the successful ones never gave up. They never stopped making themselves better. Remember what Michelangelo said, the greatest danger for most of us is not that our aim is too high and we miss it, but that it is too low and we reach it. Never stop drawing. Never stop trying to make your drawings better. And remember to always be a student of the game. When I think about why you started making these videos, I can't help but smile. I mean, what a silly idea, right? Like, to have a channel that helps teach people how to draw. Every project is another opportunity to get it right, to unveil a new concept or showcase a new technique that maybe I myself have just learned. Knowledge is what elevates the individual. It is what makes them more equipped to achieve the impossible. I could have kept all my drawing secrets to myself, but what good would that have done for the art community? Most people go through life plagued by the question, what if, right? What if I would have kept up with my drawing? What if I would have studied art instead of something artistically irrelevant? And what if I would have said, screw it to the money? Just chased my happiness instead. Do not be one of those people. Simply listen to yourself, because only you know what makes you happy, what makes you content, what makes you feel at peace. Drawing does that for me, and if you are the same way, then you owe it to yourself to show the world what you can do. All you're ever going to have is right now. This day. You need a carpe diem, man. Seize the day. Every day. And I bet you'll find yourself in a perpetual state of happiness. See ya.